begin our right triangle book.
A right triangle always has one angle that's exactly 90 degrees. And every one of these you will see that it has a square angle. In a right triangle, there is a formula for finding the length of the sides. If you know the length of two sides, you can always find the length of the third side with a right triangle. The long side is called the hypotenuse, and it is always opposite the 90-degree angle. When you add the square of this side and this side, you will always get the square of this side. And it works other ways too. If you know the length of this side, then you can take the square of that and subtract the square of that, and you'll get that one. So there's a way to find out all of the sides just based upon the measurement of two of the sides. We are going to do B and D together, and we will use the formula and the lengths given to find the hypotenuse. And on this page, we will always be finding the hypotenuse. For B, we have 4. We'll call this angle A, this line A, and this line B. This is line C. Line A is 4. I'll substitute A for 4. 4 squared plus B squared, that's 6. 6 squared equals C squared. Now I'll square these. 4 squared is 16. 6 squared is 36. Then we'll add them up, and I get 52. If C squared is 52, then the square root of C squared is the square root of 52. We'll get the calculator, and we will type in 52 and the square root button, and that gives us 7.211111. We're going to round it to the nearest hundredth, so it will be 7.21. That is the length of your hypotenuse in B. Now D. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. If A is 2, we've got 2 squared plus B is 3, that's 3 squared, equals C squared. 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9. We add them up, we get 15. C squared is 15, so the square root of C squared is the square root of 15. I type in my calculator the square root of 15, and I get 3.8729. I'm going to round it to the nearest hundredth, 3.87. All you need to do is A and C, which are done exactly the same way as B and D.